Kaspa, KS, is starting to wake up again, and this time it's not just a weak bounce. The price has rebounded sharply from its long-standing support around 6 cents, a level that's held like bedrock since May 2024. Now Kaspa has worked its way back toward a critical resistance zone at $0.096, and the pressure is building fast. If you've been watching KS for the last few months, you know this is the upper boundary of a wide sideways range, stretching from 6 cents to $0.096. Every time Kaspa hits this level, sellers slam the door shut, but each bounce from support has come back stronger. And this time, it's different. Kaspa isn't just tapping the range ceiling, it's pressing into a descending trend line that's been suppressing momentum since May's local high. This dual pressure point, horizontal resistance plus diagonal trend line, is the ultimate test for bulls, and right now, the bulls are flexing hard. Yesterday on TJ Crypto World we pointed out a critical detail. If Kaspa could close above 9 cents, we'd likely see a sprint towards $0.096, $0.098, maybe even a wick up to 11 cents if momentum poured in. And what happened? Kaspa surged right up to $0.096, hitting our upper target to the decimal before getting nudged back slightly. That's textbook technical precision. We also warned that if it couldn't break through it would likely chop sideways between 8 cents and 9 cents. That prediction still holds water if bulls fail to seal the breakout in the next few candles. So what's next? Let's look at the broader picture. Current price, $0.0923, 24H change, plus 5.58%, 4-hour RSI, 65.81, volume, slight uptick, momentum quietly building. What we're seeing here is a market gearing up. Not overheated, not euphoric, just pressure slowly building behind the dam. Now let's talk structure. On the daily chart, KS has carved out a rounded bottom since mid-June. That's a classic bullish reversal shape, often a signal that patient accumulation is happening below the surface. Buyers aren't chasing pumps, they're loading up slowly and methodically, and this slow curl upward shows that conviction is building. Right now, Kaspa is hugging the orange downtrend line, a trend line that has capped every single rally since May. If KS can decisively break above $0.096 and close a daily candle above that zone, then we're looking at a potential launch pad toward 10 cents, 12 cents, and beyond. Here's what the major indicators are flashing. RSI, healthy and climbing, sitting near 66, not yet overbought. MACD, bullish crossover confirmed. Volume, growing but still nowhere near its peak. Room to run, structure, rounded bottom pointing to breakout potential. Conclusion, bulls are in control and the path of least resistance is now upward if they can take out that final boss at $0.096. If you've made it this far, you clearly see the potential in Kaspa. Don't miss another key update, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a breakout, retrace, or entry signal. TJ Crypto World is your edge in this volatile game. Here are your 3 possible scenarios, so you're ready no matter what unfolds. Bullish scenario. If Kaspa closes above $0.096, look for a run toward 10 cents. If volume surges, 12 cents is in play within days. That breakout would flip long-term sentiment bullish again. Neutral scenario. If price fails at $0.096 again, expect more sideways chop between 8 cents and $0.096. Boring, yes, but also a setup for a bigger breakout later. Bearish scenario. If Kaspa loses 8 cents support, we could revisit $0.075, even $0.066. That would invalidate the rounded bottom and delay any bullish breakout. Here's the truth. Kaspa is walking a tightrope. It's right at the edge of its breakout zone. And while the indicators look bullish, nothing is confirmed until we see a strong daily close above $0.096. This is the kind of setup that decides the next several weeks of price action. All eyes are on this breakout attempt, and as always, patience is key. Chasing breakouts too early often results in whiplash. Stick with the trend, manage your risk, and let the candles tell the story. Thanks for watching today's deep dive on Kaspa here at TJ Crypto World. If you found value in this breakdown, give the video a like, share it, and drop your Kaspa price prediction in the comments. Are we heading to 10 cents or back to $0.075? And don't forget to check out our recent analysis on Pi Network's Open Mainnet or dive into our XRP liquidity layer scenario breakdown, 2 videos that could completely change how you view the altcoin market. Until next time, trade smart, stay informed, and as always, keep it locked on TJ Crypto World.